Hey, little mathematicians. Here we are for 6.3, another lesson to practice our math today. We're going to do three-digit addition with regrouping just the ones. First, let's warm our brains up from the lesson that we did yesterday. So we're going to do 213 people were at the show on Friday. So I'm going to have you actually split this box in two, and we're going to draw 213. So in the number 213, there's 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 3 ones. So 213 were at the show on Friday, and 156 people were at the show on Saturday. So let's draw that now. 156. Okay, 156. So okay, so now we need to take the time and we need to count all these up, always starting in the ones. So I've got 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 10. So hundreds, I'm sorry. So when we add 213 plus 156, we're getting 300, 6 tens, 9 ones, and the answer would be 369. 369. All right, so that was just a warm-up, and I think I said that was from yesterday, but that was actually from 6.1, our first lesson. Yesterday was expanded form. So now we're going to hop right in, and I think this is going to look pretty familiar to you. This is actually not new, the process that we're doing. We're simply just adding a hundreds place. So let's look at this. Don't get too confused. So in 246 plus 117, I still always start in the ones. So 6 plus 7, it's not 3, it's actually 13. So just when we have to regroup, when we regrouped before, you put the 3 here because the 3 is what's in the ones place, and that 110 now comes up to the tens place. Don't get fancy and try putting over in the hundreds. It's not 100, it's a 10. This is 13 ones, and 13 ones is the same as 110 and 3 ones. So now I have 110, 4 tens, and 110. So 4 plus 1 plus 1 would be, what they say here, is 6. Okay? So remember, that's actually like 60, okay, because it's in the tens place, but I put a 6 here. Since I don't need to regroup my tens, I can just go straight into adding the hundreds. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this 246 plus 117 equals 363. So today, the only thing that's new is that we're going to be regrouping the ones, but it's the same that we did in the last, well, actually, we did 2 chapters ago, because addition was 2 chapters ago. But you've done this before, so I hope this, I hope this goes well. So let's start with 328 plus 134. So if we start in the ones, we do 8 plus 4 first. So take a second, add 8 plus 4. What did you come up with? 12? 12? Is that what I heard? 12, yeah. So a 12 looks like this. So here, I have a 2 in the ones and a 1 in the tens. So that 2 fits in the ones place. Remember, only one digit can fit in the ones place. So that 1 is now a 10, and it gets regrouped up here. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, is now what we're doing for the tens, because I have another 10 that I have to add, and it got regrouped up here. So when you add up these, 3 plus 2 plus 1, or 1 plus 2 plus 3, what did you get for that? 6. This is correct. 62. And then since I don't need to regroup because those just equal 6, I can go ahead. I don't need to do anything else. I just do 3, or I don't need to do any more regrouping. I still have to finish the problem. 3 plus 1 for my hundreds. So it's like 300 plus 100, and it equals 4. 462 is the answer to this one. Okay? Too bad, right? This shouldn't be too bad. You should be okay with this. All right, so in number 2, it's actually 445 plus 23. So only the 400s right here. So don't get too confused just because there's nothing there. It's like 0. It's like adding 0. Okay? So I start in the ones. 5 plus 3. Well, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Well, in the number 8, are there any 10s? There's not, so I don't need to regroup, so I just go and do it normal. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm adding 2 equals 6. And then 4 plus 0 is just 4. That's an easy peasy lemon squeezy one. Very good. 468 is the answer there. Okay, let's hop over to number 3. Remember, you start in the 1, so go ahead and add 6 plus 3. We're adding 526 plus 103. 6 plus 3, that is 9. 2 plus 0, you shouldn't even have to think about that. The answer is 2. And then hundreds, 5 plus 1 is 6. 629. Another easy one. When you don't have to regroup, it's so easy. Okay, number 4. 348 plus 19. So I'm starting my 1s. I'm doing 8 plus 9. That's a big one. You could do doubles plus 1, though. 8 plus 8 plus 1. What did you get for 8 plus 9? 17? Okay, so a 17, remember, looks like this. So I cannot fit a 1 and a 7 in here. So my 7 that's in the 1's place goes here, and I regroup this 10 up here in the 10. So now it's 1 plus 4 plus 1, and that equals 6. And then here's 3 plus nothing. 3 plus 0 is 3. 367. All right, kiddos, I think you're ready to pause the video. Go ahead and do 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we'll come back here and check our answers. All right, good luck. Okay, now that you've unpaused it, you're ready to check your answers, and hopefully on all of these you had to regroup. So I'm hoping you didn't make any mistakes. So in number 5, 8 plus 7 was 15. So I put my 5 here, regrouped my 10 up here. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 975 was the answer. Did you get it? Yeah? Good. Okay. Number 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. Well, I split them. I put my 2 here, and I put my 110 up here. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 492. Number 7, 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 1. You can flip. I always like to do, when I've got big numbers like that, I always like to do the big one first, 9 plus 2, and then I just have to go up 2 more. Remember, in addition, you can flip your add-ins around to help you add easier. Okay, and that is 11, so I put 1, 1 here, and the 1 in the tens place comes up here. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more would be 9, and then 5 plus 3 is 8 for my hundreds, 891. And number 8, 7 plus 5 is 12. Put my 2 here, regroup the 110. Remember, 12 looks like this, so the 2 goes here, the 10 goes up here. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 272. Okay, the math on the spot, we provided that video for you. Make sure you watch it. Sometimes the numbers are different. If the numbers are different, that's okay. Still follow the steps on how they show you how to answer the problem, and just use your own numbers and get your own answer. And then on the back, there's 2 word problems for more practice, and you can use those. Make sure you rewrite. They give you space to rewrite your answers on if you're adding, and that way you don't just come up with the answers. You actually take the numbers out and rewrite them to figure it out. And then here is your practice and page that you're going to complete today. Be careful if you're regrouping. Don't try to put it over in the hundreds place. It goes in the tens place today because we're just regrouping the ones today. All right, guys. Have a great day. If you need extra practice, practice some extra. You can always use a whiteboard or whatever, anything. You can use a piece of paper, whatever. Just get extra practice in because we're going to keep rolling along. Bye.